Hi everybody, this is the adventures of
Michele
and Dennis, and we want to welcome you to our YouTube channel, and thanks for stopping by and just checking it out. And if you would like to, you can subscribe. There's no cost to subscribe. You just hit subscribe and then you get notifications when we post new videos. So why did we do these videos, Michele?
It's just fun.
And also we want to show people that you know, for even people who've been married for over 40 years, we still enjoy each other's company a lot. Do you enjoy my company?
Most of the time.
Most of the time. Do I keep your life exciting?
Definitely.
Definitely exciting, because she never knows what she's going to get.
The questions he's going to ask.
Or the questions I'm going to ask. So, but anyway, like I said, if you would like to subscribe to the videos, just hit subscribe, and please like us also. That's that thumbs up thing on the bottom of the page. Bottom of the page, do that. There you go, right there, thumbs up. So, thanks for stopping by, and again, aloha and God bless. Aloha.